Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss about moment of inertia. So before learning moment of inertia, you may know moment of force. So let us see first moment of force. What is moment of force? Moment of force. So what is moment of force? So we know that the moment of force is the turning effect produced by a force on the body. It is a turning effect produced by a force on the body. So let us consider this is force. Let us consider this is force F and this is point O. Now this is the distance between perpendicular distance of force from point O. Perpendicular distance of force from point O, that is x. Now what is moment of force? What is moment of force? So moment of force is equal to mathematically force into perpendicular distance. Force into perpendicular distance between point and force. Perpendicular distance between point and force. So that is nothing but moment of force. So what is moment of force? Force into perpendicular distance between point and force. So moment at about point O is equal to force into perpendicular distance x. So this is the moment of force about point O. Now instead of force, consider area of the section. Now if this is the area, arbitrary area A. This is arbitrary area A. Now this is one reference axis. This is reference axis if YY. This is reference axis YY. And this is centroid of the section A, that is G. And this is the perpendicular distance, say x. Now what is the moment of area about reference axis YY? Moment of force about point O is force into perpendicular distance. Now moment of this area about reference axis YY is area into perpendicular distance x. So moment of area is equal to moment of area about reference axis. Moment of area about reference axis is equal to area of the section into perpendicular distance of area, perpendicular distance of centroid of area from reference axis. So what is moment of area about reference axis? Area into perpendicular distance of centroid from reference axis, that is x. So what is moment of area is A into x. Moment of area is A into x. Now if you take moment of this moment of area, so instead of force we have taken area, so moment of force change into moment of area. Now take moment of area, then what will happen? So moment of area moment of area is equal to what? Moment of area into perpendicular distance. Moment of area into perpendicular distance, that is x. So what is moment of area? A into x. This is moment of area. Now into this x. So what is there? A into x, x square. So moment of area is nothing but A into x square. So what is there? This is moment of force. Moment of force. Moment of force is what? Force into perpendicular distance. Here moment of area. Moment of area is what? Area into perpendicular distance, that is A into x. Now moment of area, that is moment of area into x. So that is A into x square. A into x square. Now this moment of area is nothing but second moment of area. This is also called as second moment of area. And this second moment of area is called as moment of inertia. This second moment of area is called as moment of inertia. So here moment of area, moment of area is equal to moment of area is equal to A into x square. So this moment of area means double moment. We have taken double moment. So it is also called as second moment of area. Second moment of area. Second moment of area. And this second moment of area is called as moment of inertia. Moment of inertia. This is called as moment of inertia. So this is the concept of moment of inertia. Now friends, let us derive or let us prove mathematically. So what is moment of inertia? Let us prove mathematically. So I am taking here one arbitrary area. So arbitrary area A. And I am going to divide this area into number of areas. So if this is area A1, this is area A2, this is area A3. In similar way, you can divide this arbitrary area into n number of areas. Now this is the reference axis, horizontal axis. So it is xx. This is reference axis. Now the small areas are elementary areas. Elementary areas are A1, A2, A3 ... up to AN. N number of areas. If this is x1, sorry, this is y1, because vertical distance is there. So this is y1, that is distance of area A1 from reference axis. This is y2, that is distance of area A2 from reference axis. This is y3, that is distance of area A3 from reference axis. Now moment of this area about this reference axis is A1 y1 square. We know that moment of inertia is what? Area into distance square. Area into distance square. So moment of this small area A1 about reference axis is A1 into y1 square. So moment of area moment of inertia of area A1 is equal to A1 Y1 square. Similarly, moment of inertia of area A2 about reference axis is A2 into Y2 square. So, moment of inertia of area A2 about reference axis is A2 Y2 square. Similarly, for A3 is A3 into Y3 square. Similarly, for AN, it is AN YN square. So, total moment of inertia of area A means this area. So, we have divided this area into n number of areas. So, total moment of inertia is nothing but summation of all moment of inertias. So, that is equal to A1 Y1 square plus A2 Y2 square plus AN YN square. So, this moment of inertia of area A about reference axis XX is denoted by Ixx. So, Ixx is equal to summation, this you can write in this form, summation AY square. This is capital A Y square or small ay square, summation ay square. So, Ixx is summation ay square. And what is Iyy? Similarly, Iyy is equal to summation ax square. So, during calculation of Ixx, the distances taken are on the vertical axis. So, that is y. And if Iyy is to be calculated, the distances taken are xxx. So, ax square. So, this is the formula for moment of inertia. Now, see the unit of moment of inertia. So, what is SI unit of moment of inertia? So, we know that moment of inertia is equal to area into distance square, that is A into x square. Now, what is the unit of area? Unit of area is meter square, and the unit of distance is meter. But here square is there, so square. So, meter square into meter square is what? Meter raised to 4. So, SI unit of moment of inertia is meter raised to 4. So, we will take all the units in mm. So, the unit of moment of inertia is mm raised to 4. So, this is the SI unit of moment of inertia. So, thank you very much.